Okay, so the first thing we did was add content. So you click on the add content button and it gives you a couple choices, actually more than a couple. You've got slides, Nearpod, simulation. So we're going to start with the slide. Basically, it's just going to be anything that you want to put in there as far as video or any kind of file. We put a video to begin with, but we had to upload it from the iPad because my computer wasn't actually working for the screenshots. For the next slide, we went through and we just added an image to that from the add content page. Collaborate, again, we went to add slide, we went to add activity, and then down here you have your options. We went to collaborate, and basically it's a lot like Padlet. You just enter in what your topic is, and then you have to add in your questions, whatever you're wanting them to describe. You can change the different backgrounds over here, and then you hit save. This is what the Collaborate looks like from the teacher's point of view. I put several questions down here. They don't go return. You can't put them like in specific different lines. They are all in one line, as you'll see on your tablets. For the simulation, we went into the add content page, and one of the simulations is down at the bottom. If you click on that, you've got all these different ones. It can be math or science. We chose specifically the simulation about planets, but you could choose any of these just to put into the whatever this thing is called. What is this thing called? The interactive simulations. This is where you're going to find the information for your Nearpod. But add activity, and this was a draw it. Once you go to the draw it, you can upload any kind of background image, and you put your instructions right here. My only suggestion for uploading background images, or if you are going to have them draw or write anywhere, it needs to be a solid color or a picture that is not too busy, because otherwise you won't be able to see the drawing itself. Picture that we used of the Earth and the Moon, we went to add content and then Nearpod 3D, and it has different categories over here on the left side. And then once you click on them and you put them in there, it actually goes through and you can see it from every different angle using your mouse or your finger on the iPad. You can turn everything around and see everything from 3 different sides. Activity that we did was add an activity, and then if you scroll to the right, we did a poll. And in the poll, you can ask anything you want to, and you can choose your own answer options. You can put a picture over on the side, and you can put a timer if you want the students to answer in a specific time frame.